Okay, I'm all ready. Dressed up. A bit of adrenaline.
You know how to read the base note or please understand or not?
The brakes are working? Okay. Clutch, everything all in one piece. Okay. You can vouch for it, right? Yeah. Okay. The bolts and nuts are all tightened. Hope so. It's not encouraging. Oh my.
And we just need to tuck it in the overalls, please. Just tuck it. Do you want me to do it? And then pull this down. Perfect. Strapped in and ready to go in no time. Okay.
We can go fast. I need to know when not that we have an issue. Because the car will be followed.
Sorry guys, I have to go in my car.
Sorry. So after the car we have to stop this lady straight here. Go as much as you can and you want. Okay?
Yeah. Sorry, please. Sorry. This one before you enter. Thank you.
Nico, you got a connection? Sorry, guys.
Yeah, at the beginning and I will go. No,
Excellency Trombo John.
Be careful.
So.
There we go.
Finish.
Are you in one piece?
Nick.
Okay, we do like that. I don't know what I don't know whether I enjoy it. I am not sure. But at least we have you back in one piece. Yes, I do. Okay, my friend. Yes. It was a great pleasure. My very great pleasure. It's memorable. It's okay. It's out of this world. I have never known something like this exists. Okay. And you are a great guy.
You will do it next year.
Lihat, kapot.
I got into the rally car and it was quite something. My stomach almost gave way. It was quite something. But anyway, it was a wonderful experience. I think it's great, really. I think the Safari Rally, it was a right decision for us to bring back the WRC series to Kenya. You remember it had been suspended for a while. We made a decision in 2013, 2014 that we want this back. I am happy that we made that decision, and today we can enjoy the Safari Rally. Kenyans can enjoy the Safari Rally. We can bring back, those of us who watched the Safari Rally before, we can bring back those memories. It is not what it was then. Then it was East African Safari Rally, then it became Kenya Safari Rally. It used to go around the country. Today it is here in Naivasha, but we are privileged that we have people like you, media houses who are beaming this across Kenya, across the globe, and it's a wonderful experience. As I said, this is not just about machine, it's not about the drivers, it's a whole Kenyan, East African global affair. People have come here to support the rally drivers, to cheer the rally drivers. Spectators are here. People have come to enjoy themselves are here. People are here who have come on holiday. Others, unfortunately, have run away from work. But they are all here somehow. So we are all happy, and it is quite a carnival, you know. And the whole experience of what's going on here, the hotels are doing business, and I'm very happy that out of this event, we are going to put together economically about 60 billion shillings. Just in this week, out of this event, is a huge economic activity as well. It's not just about people enjoying themselves. It's about money. It's about business. It's about entrepreneurship. It's about jobs. When I was from the hustler community in Naivasha, that they must be front, center, back, left, right in this. Yes. And I am happy that they have been brought on board. And the hotels are going to make money. I think on hospitality alone, I think we are going to do about 1.3 billion shillings out of hospitality. We have the whole ecosystem around this event. I was pretty happy that this was also contextualized under climate change and the fact that we are greening as part of this rally, and 19 million trees are going to be planted, is a huge step in the right direction.